If you are between the ages of 18 and 55, remember this. 1. Take care of your body. Remember that health is another form of wealth. 2. The family you form is more important than the family you came from. 3. Get used to taking some paths in your life alone, because your goals are personal. 4. Don't waste energy on fears. Use energy to believe, learn, create and grow. 5. If you want to be happy, always reduce your expectations from others to 0. 6. Do not tell anyone about your plan. Grow in silence. 7. You are not supposed to be young forever doing what you hate every day. 8. Be wise enough to control your emotions and learn to be less reactive. 9. Don't pay attention to the advice people give. Most of them don't even know what they are doing in this life. 10. Never try to change someone by influencing them with your behavior.